All right, hear me out for a second. Let us talk about the Azure. This is for the kind of person who is done pretending mid-range is good enough. You know exactly how performance should feel, and you can sense when a machine is leaving potential on the table. You read not chasing flashy specs anymore. You read chasing consistency, confidence, and that feeling of control when everything just works. Before we go deeper, check the current price and availability. Desktops like this don't stay predictable, and waiting has a habit of turning into regret. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old PC started hesitating. Frame drops where there shouldn't be any. Stutters during moments that should feel smooth. That quiet frustration where you read technically playing or working, but never fully immersed. You outgrew that phase. The first day with the Azure, something shifts. Games launch fast. The system feels calm under pressure. You stop bracing for lag because it never shows up. There's the real sense of relief when your machine finally keeps up with your expectations instead of challenging them. You feel it during long gaming sessions when performance stays steady instead of fading. You notice it while streaming, editing clips, or running background apps without thinking twice. Even everyday tasks feel sharper, more intentional, like the system is always one step ahead of you. It's not about staring at clock speeds. It's about how responsive everything feels when the Ryzen 7 9700X boosts hard without hesitation. It's how the NVIDIA RTX 4060 delivers smooth gameplay without forcing compromises. The experience feels balanced, confident, and ready for whatever you throw at it. If you considering it, don't wait around for random stock changes or price jumps. Systems like this disappear faster than you expect. You might be wondering if this setup is overkill for your needs. The truth is, it grows with you. Whether you read gaming today or creating tomorrow, it never feels like you hit a ceiling too soon. The surprise benefit is how quiet and composed it feels even under load. No chaos, no drama. Just steady power doing its job while you stay focused. Owning the Azure feels different. There's pride in knowing your setup isn't the weak link anymore. You stop browsing upgrade forums. You stop second-guessing. You just enjoy using it. Gameplay stays smooth and predictable. Multitasking feels effortless, loads fast, stays responsive, handles pressure without panic, feels ready for years, takes up real desk space. Upgrade itch may still exist at some point. You exit the comparison loop. You realize you've been circling this level of performance all along. And every time you consider something lesser, you already know you'd come back here. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you keep postponing and quietly regret later. Check the price, see if it is available, and choose the system you already know you want.